Hi there, yoga friends. I'm so happy you're here to practice with me today. Before we begin, remember to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe.
Let's start. Stand tall. Bend knees and sit back as if into a chair. Lift chest. Reach arms up. Engage your core and breathe steadily. Lie on your back with feet flat and hands beside your ears. Press into your limbs to lift your body into an arch. Straighten your arms and breathe deeply.
Lie on your stomach, bend both knees, grab ankles, and lift chest and legs. Open the front body, engage the back, and breathe deeply.
Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Press your tops of feet down. Inhale and lift your chest forward and up. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders down. Sit sideways against a wall, then swing your legs up while lying back. Keep your back flat and arms relaxed. Breathe deeply as your blood flow reverses, calming your nervous system. Squat deeply with feet wider than hips. Press your elbows against your inner knees, bringing palms together at your heart. Keep your spine long, heels flat, and chest open. Lie on your back. Lift your legs and hips. Then slowly lower your feet over your head to the floor. Keep your legs straight and support your back with your hands. Kneel and extend one leg forward, the other back. Gradually lower your hips until both legs are straight and flat on the mat. Keep your torso upright and arms raised. Stand tall with feet together. Interlace your fingers and reach up. Exhale, leaning your torso to one side while keeping your hips steady. Feel the deep stretch along your side body. Slide one knee forward behind your wrist while extending the other leg straight back. Square your hips and lengthen your spine. Fold forward or sit tall to stretch the hips. Come onto your hands and knees. Round your back like a cat. Then drop your belly and look up like a cow. Keep breathing as you flow. Cat, cow, cat, cow. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.